Crocheting 101, a complete beginner's course for absolute beginner crocheters, created by Aaron from ABR Creations. Chapter 10, Changing Colors in Crochet. In this chapter, we will be talking about how you can change colors in crochet and also look at two different ways of changing colors. Now suppose you want to create a beautiful design for your coaster, but you don't know how. This is where the color change comes in. Changing colors in crochet is another important step if you want to make amigurumis. Changing colors is a great way to add visual interest and create beautiful patterns. There are two ways where you can change colors. Let's go over them one at a time and see how you can do it. The first type of color change is the standard and normal color change. It involves switching from one color to another completely without carrying the main color. As you can see, the normal color change also reveals the type of stitch you are doing. In my case, it shows the single crochet. Now that you have learned some tips on the normal color change, let's learn how to do it. Step 1. Perform any type of stitch that you want to do, like the single crochet, but don't finish the stitch yet. Step 2. Before finishing the stitch, put the secondary color behind the crochet project and hold it with your index finger to hold it in place. Step 3. Finish the stitch by pulling the new color through the final 2 loops. And that is how you make the normal color change. Here is another version of the normal color change. In case you want to first lock the new color in place before using the new color itself, follow these 3 steps. Step 1. When inserting your crochet hook into the stitch, make sure to put the new color on the hook, but don't yarn over with the color yet. Step 2. To lock the new color in place, yarn over with the main color and perform that particular stitch. Then slip stitch with your main color in the next stitch. And chain 1 with your new color. Then you can just perform the stitches using the new color. And that is another way of how you can make the normal color change. The next type of color change is the half color change. It involves using 2 colors at once in the round. As you can see here, the half color change does not reveal much about the stitch that I am doing, and it is more neat compared to the normal color change. To perform the half color change, simply follow these 5 steps. Step 1. Insert your crochet hook into the stitch and make sure you have your secondary color on the hook, making sure you don't yarn over with that color yet. Step 2. To lock the new color in place, yarn over with the main color and perform that particular stitch. Step 3. Then slip stitch with your main color in the next stitch. And chain 1 with your new color. We want to make sure that the next color is on top and the previous color is below, hence known as the half color change. Step 4. Insert your crochet hook into the same stitch where you slip stitched and yarn over with your previous color that we were using and pull through. Step 5. Yarn over with the new color and pull it through the remaining loops. And that is how you make the half color change. Before moving on to the next stitch, you can pull the yarn of the previous color so that the stitches will look neater. This may take some time to master, but with a bit of practice, you will get the hang of it. To continue making the half color stitches, simply follow steps 4 to 5 again and again. Once you reach the end of the round, simply finish off with a slip stitch and chain 1 in the new color. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please consider subscribing to my channel and please like this video at the end of this tutorial. If you are ready for chapter 11, click here now or the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and get creative.